A company called Hiplok reached out about a few of their award-winning scooter and bike locks, so let's check them out.
This is the DX Maximum Security Double Locking D-Lock, and what makes this unique and award-winning are the two flexible pieces that allow you to attach it to your pants or pack. They call this the clip and ride system.
They claim it's one of the lightest D-lock systems out there at just over 2 pounds.
The DX comes with a waterproof sill and 3 coated keys, and has a locking area of 5.9 by 3.6 inches.
Which was plenty large enough for my scooter.
The DX comes with anti-rotation locking, a 14mm premium hardened steel shackle, and was awarded the maximum gold level security rating by the experts at Sold Secure.
If you're one of those people like myself that hate to carry anything on my back or in my pockets, you will be a huge fan of the Z-Lock.
Hiplok designed the first secure, reusable zip tie. I found these worked great when there wasn't a bike rack or pull around, because they can be chained together to increase the locking length, then pull tight just like a standard zip tie.
However, these are anything but standard. There is a steel strip that runs through the center, and they only weigh 20 grams.
The Z-Lock was the winner of the Design and Innovation Award in 2018, and is something I will definitely use. I've been looking for a lightweight and durable lock. The only downside is the keys are standard, so this would be a great option while you run into the store or head out for a quick errand. Now guys, if you do want to pick this up, I've got the link in the description. I've also partnered with a company called Lustre, who has created a free tool that compares other brands. So if you want more info before you buy, you should definitely check it out. If you also want their recommendations or product analysis right where you shop, like on Amazon or Google, install their extension. The link is in the description. So thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe, and enjoy your day.